Hello students, today we shall learn to find out all factors of a number. Factors of a natural number are those which completely divides the number. Hence all divisors are the factors. So whenever we want to find out the factors of a number, we find out those numbers which completely divides the given number. Hence, we will try to find out all divisors of the number. And to do this, we must first find prime factorization of the number. The quickest way to find out all divisors of the number, we will first find out prime factorization of the number, and with the help of this prime factorization, we will find out all divisors of the number. Let us take an example to understand this process. Suppose we want to find out the factors of the number 96, all factors of the number 96. So we will first find out all prime factorization of the number 96, and there are various ways to find out the prime factorization of the number 96. One way is through tree diagram. In tree diagram, we break the given number into its factors, not necessarily prime factors, but we will proceed ahead so that finally we reach up to prime factors of the number. So first we will write 96 as the product of two number 48 and 2. We can do this in another way also. We can write 96 as 16 into 6. So there are various ways to proceed in this tree diagram. Here I have write 96. I have written 96 as 48 into 2. Now again we divide 48 into 2 factors for 12 and 4, whose product is equal to 48. Again 12 is divided into 2 factors, 6 into 2, 6 again 3 into 2. In this way we finally get all prime numbers whose product is this number 96. We can also find out all prime numbers in this way also. Here we divide 96 again and again by the prime numbers, and we start with the smallest prime number. So since 96 is divisible by the smallest prime number 2, so we divide it by 2, we get 48. Again we divide 48 by 2, we get 24. In this way we proceed. So we find out all the prime numbers whose product is equal to 96. In this way we can find out prime factorization of the given number. Now with the help of this prime factorization, we will write all divisors of the number 96. Since 1 is the divisor of all natural number, so we start with 1. 96 can be written as 1 into 96 is equal to 96. Then we move ahead. 2 is the next number which divides 96, so we write it 2 into 48 is equal to 96. Then next number 3 also divides 96 because 3 is here in this list, so 3 into 32 is equal to 96. Next number 4, because 4 can be obtained by multiplying the two number in this prime factorization. 2 into 2 is equal to 4, so 4 also divides 96. So 4 when 4 divides 96 we get 24. So 96 can be written as 4 into 24 is equal to 96. Then the next number 5 will not divide 96. Next number 6 will divide 96, and after division we get 16. So 96 is equal to 6 into 16. Next 7 will not divide 96, 8 will divide 96, so 8 into 12 is equal to 96. Then next number which divides 96 will be 12. Now repetitions starts. So all divisors of 96 can be written from this list: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, then 12, 16, 24, 32, 48, 96. All are the divisors of the given number 96. In this way we can find out all the factors of 96 and we can list out them. This is the way by which we can find out the factors of any natural number. Thank you.